Hi friends, today we are going to learn about a very important topic regarding the top leadership of a company. Generally, the top leadership of a company is called C-suite. C-suite means the leaders or top executives having a name chief in their designation called C-suite. For example, Chief Executive Officer, Chief Financial Officer, Chief Technology Officer, Chief Information Officer, etc. All these things are called C-suites. They have very higher responsibility to fulfill, and their main responsibility is to ensure that the company is in the profitable state and having the resources to run the company for multiple years. And if they fail, the company will fail. So their responsibility cannot be held by a single person. It should be shared by a number of persons. That is why it is called C-suites. The topmost position of a company is the Chief Executive Officer. Chief Executive Officer hold all these responsibilities and the general responsibilities. When the company grows, a Chief Executive Officer cannot hold such a higher responsibility, so he share the financial aspects into Chief Financial Officer. The people in accounting and finance usually wants to grow up to Chief Financial Officer level, and then Chief Technology Officer, or sometimes it is called the Chief Information Officer, is responsible for providing guidance and support to the company regarding the technology aspect, especially the software aspects, software technology implementations and the other technology enhancements of the company. If the company is not enhancing with respect to the technology improvement, it is practically impossible for any company to exist. Along with these three important chief positions, other chief positions are there: Chief HR Manager, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Compliance Officer, Chief Data Officer, Chief Marketing Officer, like that. There are number of other chief positions are also there. So topmost companies are guided by this very highest level. Chief Executive Officer is a topmost company executive. He is having the full responsibility of a company. Generally, a CEO will use his ability and his position to guide the company into right direction. Chief Financial Officer is directing the company's financial aspects into prosperity. How you will invest, how to make the money profitable. Also, like the Chief Information Officer, mainly analyze the information technology aspects of a company. So I will ask you three questions. The first question is, what are the positions coming under the C-suite? Mainly three positions. One is Chief Executive Officer, second is Chief Financial Officer, and third is Chief Operating Officer. The second question is, are these C-suite, that means Chief Executive Officer, Chief Financial Officer, Chief Operating Officer, belongs to men? Yes, most of them are men, around 94% of Chief Executive Officers are men, because earlier stage the power held by men only, Nowadays, it is shared by shared by all. The last question. The most of the persons will ask this question: how to become a chief executive officer, or a chief financial officer, or a chief operating officer? The answer is through proper planning, preparation, and hard work. By using these three techniques, you can become one of the topmost company leader in their position. And also, if you build a substantial network in the industry with the suitable people and having conversation with them and the ability to deal with them and having a very wide network with the topmost company leaders, you will become an eligible candidate to become a C-suite member. That means Chief Executive Officer, Chief Financial Officer, and Chief Operating Officer. Thank you for watching.